How to fix Epic Games Launcher not opening on Windows. 1. End the Epic Games Launcher process in Task Manager. 2. Launch Epic Games Launcher from Start menu. 3. Adjust your display settings. Set 100% to scale and layout. 4. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Change Epic Games Launcher properties by adding the command below. C:\program whitespace files whitespace left parenthesis x86 right parenthesis / epic whitespace games / launcher / portal / binaries / win32 / epic games launcher.exe open GL6. Add Epic Games Launcher as an exception to your third-party antivirus application. 7. Prepare Epic Games Launcher. 8. Then reinstall Epic Games Launcher.